In the name of Allah, the most loving and caring. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Welcome to online class again. Hope so you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 22 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are: from English A, we shall do chapter number 7, Clever Mirchu, and we shall do translation of paragraph number 12, 13 and 14. Then after that, we shall do letter to your sister congratulating her on her success in the exams. First of all, we shall do chapter number 7, Clever Mirchu translation. Now here are the meanings of paragraph number 12. You have to write them on your book. Arrived, पहुंचे, early, जल्दी, coins, सिक्के, payment, अदायगी, debt, कर्ज, wept, रो दी, joy, खुशी, vanished, गायब हो गई, सोब, सिसकियां. When the woodcutter and his wife arrived home early that day, they had found 10 silver coins waiting for them. This was in payment of a debt that they had long forgotten about. At the sight of so much money, the woodcutter's wife wept with joy. But when she remembered that she would never see her boys again, all her joy vanished and she began to sob. What use was that money to her now, she thought. Now translation: when, jab, the woodcutter, लकड़हारा and or his उसकी wife बीवी arrived पहुंचे house घर early जल्दी that day उस दिन जब लकड़हारा और उसकी बीवी जल्दी घर पहुंचे they उन्हों had found ने पाया 10 silver चांदी coins सिक्कों waiting मुंतजिर for them अपना तो उन्होंने 10 चांदी के सिक्कों को अपना मुंतजिर पाया. This ये was in payment अदायगी थी of a debt एक कर्ज की ये एक कर्ज की अदायगी थी that जिसे they वो had long forgotten about अरसा हुआ भुला चुके थे जिसे वो अरसा हुआ भुला चुके थे. At the sight देखकर of so much money इतनी बड़ी रकम the woodcutters लकड़हारे की wife बीवी wept रो दी with से joy खुशी इतनी बड़ी रकम देखकर लकड़हारे की बीवी खुशी से रो दी. But लेकिन when जब she उसे remembered याद आया that के she वो would never see कभी नहीं देख पाएगी हर अपने बॉयज लड़कों को अगेन दोबारा. लेकिन जब उसे याद आया कि वो अपने लड़कों को दोबारा कभी नहीं देख पाएगी ऑल सारी हर उसकी जॉय खुशी वैनिश्ड गायब हो गई एंड और शी वो बिगेन टू सोब सिसकियां लेने लगी तो उसकी सारी खुशी गायब हो गई और वो सिसकियां लेने लगी. व्हाट क्या यूज फायदा was that money इस रकम का to her उसके लिए now अब she उसने thought सोचा अब उसके लिए इस रकम का क्या फायदा उसने सोचा. Paragraph number 13 meanings. Poor बेचारे exclaimed पुकारा sorrowfully गमज़दा होकर safely खैरियत perhaps शायद wolves भेड़िए wanted चाहा hear सुनना pushed धकेला followed पैरवी की. Paragraph number 13. My sons, my poor little sons, she exclaimed sorrowfully, what would I not give to have you safely back home? Perhaps by now they might have been eaten by wolves. This was all Mirchu wanted to hear. He pushed the door open and ran to his mother. His brothers followed him too. Now focus on translation. My, मेरे, sons, बेटों, my, मेरे, poor, बेचारे, little, नन्हे, sons, बेटों, she, उसने, exclaimed, पुकारा, sorrowfully, गमज़दा होकर। मेरे बेटों, मेरे बेचारे नन्हे बेटों, उसने गमज़दा होकर पुकारा। What? क्या? Would I not give? मैं नहीं दूंगी। To have you? तुम्हें लाने के लिए। Safely? खैरियत से। Back? वापस। Home? घर। तुम्हें खैरियत से घर वापस लाने के लिए मैं क्या नहीं दूंगी। Perhaps? शायद। By now? अब तक। They? उन्हें। Might have been eaten? खा चुके होंगे। By wolves? भेड़िए। शायद अब तक तो उन्हें भेड़िए खा चुके होंगे। This? यही। All? सब कुछ। मिर्चू was wanted? चाहता था। To hear? सुनना। यही सब कुछ मिर्चू सुनना चाहता था। He? उसने। Pushed? धकेल दिया। The door? दरवाजा। Open? खोल दिया। And? और ran? दौड़ा। To his mother? अपनी माँ की तरफ। उसने धकेल कर दरवाजा खोल दिया और अपनी माँ की तरफ दौड़ा। His? उसके। Brother? भाइयों। Followed? ने पैरवी की। Him? उसकी। To? भी। उसके भाइयों ने भी उसकी पैरवी की। पैराग्राफ नंबर 14 मीनिंग्स। क्राई रोना, हेयर यहाँ, हैप्पीनेस मुसर्रत, कॉटेज झोंपड़ी, फीस्ट दावत, सैट बैठे, अराउंड गिर्द, लिव्ड बसर की, हैप्पीली खुशी से। Paragraph number 14. Don't cry, mother. We are all here, all safe and sound. What joy and happiness there was in the woodcutter's cottage that night, and what a feast they all had as they sat around the table. The woodcutter, his wife, and all their 7 sons lived happily ever after. Well done, little Mirchu. Now translation. Don't, mat, cry, रोइए, mother, अम्मी जान, मत रोइए अम्मी जान, we, हम, are all here, सब यहाँ हैं, हम सब यहाँ हैं, all, सब, safe and sound, बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हैं, सब बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हैं, what, क्या, joy, खुशी, and, और, happiness, मुसर्रत, there was, थी, in, में, the woodcutters, लकड़हारे की, कॉटेज झोंपड़ी, डैड उस नाइट रात, उस रात लकड़हारे की झोंपड़ी में क्या खुशी और मुसर्रत थी। एंड और व्हाट क्या, अ फीस्ट दावत, दे ऑल हैड उन्होंने की, एज जब, दे वो, सैट बैठे, अराउंड गिर्द, द टेबल मेज के, और उन्होंने क्या दावत की जब वो मेज के गिर्द बैठे। द वुडकटर लकड़हारा, हिज उसकी, वाइफ बीवी, एंड और, ऑल देयर उनके, 7 सातों, सन्स बेटों, लिव्ड जिंदगी बसर की, हैप्पीली खुशी खुशी, एवर आफ्टर हमेशा। उसके बाद लकड़हारा, उसकी बीवी और उसके 7 बेटों ने हमेशा खुशी खुशी जिंदगी बसर की। वेल डन, बहुत खूब, लिटिल नन्हे, मिर्चू मिर्चू, बहुत खूब नन्हे मिर्चू। Now we shall do letter to your sister congratulating her on her success in the exams. This letter is on page number 19 of your grammar book. Now we shall discuss letter. First of all, we shall discuss the method of the letter. On the very first line we shall write examination hall. E will be capital of examination and H will be capital of hall. After hall we shall put comma. Then on the next line we shall write city. C will be capital of city. A capital dot, B capital dot, C capital dot. Then on the next line we shall write the date. First May. We have to write the full spellings of the month and we have to write first alphabet capital. After the month we will put comma, then 2021, and after 2021 we shall not put full stop according to new method. You have to write the date according to the date you are writing the letter. Then on the next line, dear sister, D will be capital of dear and S will be capital of sister. After sister you will put comma. Your letter brought the happy news of your excellent result in the final examination of class 9. I am very happy to learn that you have stood first in your class and maintained your position. Maintained means to keep in existence. I am very proud of you. Proud here is an adjective. It means feeling pleasure and satisfaction because you or people connected with you have done or got something good. You have always been hardworking student. Hardworking here is used as an adjective. It means putting a lot of effort into work. And I hope you will work even harder next time, for the competition will be quite hard. Competition here is used as a noun and it means a situation in which someone is trying to win or be more useful than someone else. And quite here is adverb. It means completely. Accept my heartiest congratulations on your success. Success means the achieving of the results wanted or hoped for. Pay my compliments to Sarah and other friends. You can write the name whatever you want to write here. I have written Sarah. Then after that you will write yours affectionately. Y will be capital of yours and A will be small of affectionately. After affectionately we shall put comma. Then on the next line, X capital dot Y capital dot Z capital dot. This will be your home task. First of all, you will learn and write Urdu meanings, then learn translation, then after that you will learn letter. Thanks for your attention. Allah Hafiz.